The engine for me is the heart of a car. It breathes, it pumps oil like blood, it makes a noise, all sorts of noises. And it's an operating, living, breathing machine. It's the heart of the car. That's how I feel about it anyway. I mean, I don't really know if that's what you need. My history as a mechanical engineer goes back to when I was about 17 years old. I started an apprenticeship with the local Aston Martin specialist, which was a bit of gold really, because it taught me to build a really difficult engine, and we're still building them today. We've found a way to build the ultimate Aston Martin engine, and it actually performed so well that Heinz noticed how well it had performed. He found us.
I'm here because of Warren Heath. For me it was clear I have to go to see Warren to his shop and make sure that he would put a good engine into my car. I was very impressed with the work that they have been doing. I'm very happy with it.
A car like this has a unique place in automotive history. And for us to bring it back to life, it's not just us that do that, it's a team. It takes an owner with the budget and the will to want to put the car back to life. And it takes an engineering team to come in and to make that a reality. So to open the engine bay and show him the engine, I think he was really excited. I think what's more exciting is him hearing it for the first time, and also for me to hear his comments about it. His comment was, it feels like a brand new engine, which is what we try to achieve here. We try to make things almost better than when they were new. It would be my dream that this car would continue being looked after forever, because it has its rightful place in motor racing history, and the history's still being written.